Okay, Gautam, it's Vineet, not Uday, but thanks for the compliment. Nevertheless, MK Meena, former IPS, also with us on the program. Mr. Meena, Gautam has, of course, laid out an important detail here that it's not only Pakistan, it's Bangladesh, it's China, and a host of other Islamic jihadi radicals who will be looking to foment trouble in India. And as long as these YouTubers don't understand the gravity of India's security at this social media and beyond level, we are not safe.
In fact, we have to be careful from all anti-social elements and anti-national elements. What Haryana police has done this is a good job they have done, as earlier our sir has also spoken, Azad sir has also spoken in detail. But I can say that elements who are working in the countries which you have named, they have to be kept under watch. The border states and border districts, they have to be alert, physically as well as collection of intelligence. It is not only central agency who are also involved basically in collecting intelligence for foreign elements, but state police and border districts should also be strengthened so that nothing can be done in borders by these anti-social elements. And it is fact that since our neighbors like China, Bangladesh, and Pakistan, they are against us, they may do any activity, any anti-national activities. So we have to keep their activities under watch, movements under watch. Those Indians who are visiting these countries, they have to also have kept under strict watch. As now Malhotra has been arrested by Haryana police, now we have to interrogate in such a way the all sequence of events, sequence of like all those who have been arrested, each and everybody has to be interrogated in scientific and professional way and to extract things. If they have done mischievous things, they should be punished. If they have not done, they should be let out. But since the police must be having some strong evidence against them, so they should really carry out investigation in professional way. And as you are telling these countries, we have to be like earlier Bangladesh was friendly to us. Now in Bangladesh activities are anti-Indians. We have to keep watch now. So all borders areas, all border districts and border states, they have to be they have to keep watch, they have to remain alert, they have to intensify their intelligence network, they have to patrol the whole area. Like those spy who are living in India, they should not come in contact with those countries. So it depends whether this Malhotra case is only friendship case or any anti-Indian case. That depends how investigation takes place. If she has not done anything, is it only simply her friendship, then it's different. But if she has really revealed, because police knows better, investigate agencies know better. If she has revealed, she has given certain crucial information which should not be given by Indian to any country, then it is a very serious offense. But investigation has to be done in scientific way. So likewise, we have to be very alert. By this Pahalgam incident was very brutal. The Indian government, what they have done, state government, they have done, his role is commendable. After this incident, they are doing it, and there should be pressure on enemy that they should not have courage to do such things. They should not support terrorism in our country, because terrorism in our country is being supported by many countries, especially Pakistan. We should be very strict taking action against them. We should also increase deployment of BSF on the borders. We should also increase deployment of army on the LOCs, LAC wherever they are deployed, even SSB, even ITBP, even Assam Rifles. They have to be we have to strengthen their force, and whatever their requirement is there. Border districts, whatever their requirement, border states.
Right. Let me also rope in Advocate Dinesh Jotwani into this conversation. Advocate Jotwani,